In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AliExpress to Shopify using a third-party app. Since AliExpress doesn't have a direct integration with Shopify, these apps serve as essential bridges, allowing you to seamlessly import products, manage inventory, adjust pricing, and even automate your order fulfillment process. We'll walk through this straightforward process to ensure your dropshipping journey is as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll need to choose a dropshipping app from the Shopify App Store that supports integration with AliExpress. Some of the popular options you might consider include DSers, Oberlo, and AutoDS. DSers is often recommended due to its robust AliExpress integration. Oberlo, on the other hand, is a favorite among beginners for its user-friendly interface. AutoDS provides great automation features for streamlining your workflow. Take a moment to explore these options, perhaps reading reviews and considering their features to decide which one best fits your needs. Once you've selected the ideal app for your store, go ahead and install it directly from the Shopify App Store. Each app should provide guidelines to guide you through connecting it to your AliExpress account. You'll likely need to authorize the app, granting it permission to access your account details to enable seamless functionality. Don't worry, the process is usually straightforward with on-screen instructions to assist you. Next, it's time to import products. This is where the app truly shines. Head over to AliExpress and start browsing for products you'd like to feature in your Shopify store. Using the app's features, which often include a handy Chrome extension, you can easily import product details such as titles, descriptions, images, and variants into your Shopify store. Keep in mind how crucial it is to select products that resonate with your target audience to optimize your store's potential. Managing inventory and pricing is another integral part of the process. These apps will help you keep your store up to date by syncing information with AliExpress. This sync ensures that you're always aware of stock levels and current prices, helping prevent discrepancies that could disappoint customers. Additionally, you can customize details like pricing and descriptions to better match your brand's tone and strategy before making them live on your store. When it comes to fulfilling orders, these apps really enhance efficiency. Once a customer makes a purchase on your Shopify store, the order details are automatically forwarded to the AliExpress supplier. From there, the supplier ships the product directly to your customer, significantly simplifying your role in the fulfillment process. This automation truly streamlines your operations, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down with logistics. By using these apps, you can effortlessly connect your Shopify store with AliExpress, automating much of the product sourcing and fulfillment process. This not only saves you time, but also enhances the reliability and efficiency of your dropshipping business.